This is gonna be the best party ever because we're gonna dance, we're gonna tell a spooky story, and of course, there'll be treats! I want candy, lots of candy. Give me that stuff that's wrong with me. Give me that awesome candy. Now, we have to let Mickey and Minnie know that we are ready to party. So, say this with me. Mickey's Trick and Treat. Mickey's Trick and Treat. Louder!
Happy Halloween, everybody!
It's so good to see you!
Yep, that's the best part of Halloween!
Getting together with friends and dressing up!
Awesome costumes, you two!
Thanks!
And you all look spooktacular!
Say, who's ready to dance?
Knock, 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 you sing! Come on! Knock, knock, knock! Rock, rock, rock!
Everybody!
Rock, rock! Halloween is so exciting. Parties everywhere, so inviting.
Time to try some make-believe!
You never know what's up our sleeve!
I like the tricks, so I like the treats. We're gonna overtake the streets.
So come on, monsters!
Mermaids!
Stars, we show the world just who we are. Come on, everybody, make some noise!
On Halloween, you can be anything!
Be a skeleton, octopus, video game, or an astronaut.
Be a vampire!
Or a mad scientist, give it all you got. Be an awesome superhero, stretch your stuff.
Be a pretty princess all dressed up in fluff!
Be a creature who's invading us from outer space!
Be a pirate, a bee, or a flying monkey.
Be a happy place!
It's time to groove and flow with me.
Get on your costume and hit the street! We're about to have some spooky fun! Knocking on the doors, that's how it's done!
Knock, knock, knock.
Knock, knock, knock!
Open up the door, let's
Rock, rock, rock!
Okay, kids, stand up and show us those dance moves. Come on, everybody groove.
Oh, I love this!
Go on, baby. Hey.
Ooh, and bubbles!
Some party, huh?
It's time to groove and flow with me. Get on your costume and hit the street. We're about to have some spooky
Knock, knock,
knock, knock, knock!
open up the door, let's
Rock, rock, rock!
and knock, knock, knock.
Knock, knock, knock!
Open up the door, let's rock, rock, rock.
Great job, everybody!
Ooh, you sure know how to shake it,
You
Mickey.
sure do!
Hey,
And now it's time for our spooky story. Ooh. Mickey, you start.
Okay, gather around. It was a brilliant and sunny day.
Mickey, that's not scary.
Oh, you're right. I guess I haven't told many scary stories.
How about it was a dark and stormy night?
Ooh, spooky.
And we were at, oh gosh, where were we?
Under the moonlight.
In a graveyard.
Ooh.
In a spooky forest.
Ooh.
And suddenly, there was a mysterious castle.
With thunder.
And lightning.
And butterflies.
What?
It was getting a little too scary.
Oh, come on, everyone. What flies around a spooky castle on Halloween night? Shout it out! That's right.
Oh, yes! Bats! The cutest bats you've ever seen!
What? Cute bats! Everybody go, oh!
Oh!
And suddenly, it started to rain.
Come on, everyone, let's make the rain sound. Everyone, patch your knees like this. Make it rain harder and harder. Pat faster, everyone. Faster, faster. Oh, water
late.
Yes.
Goofy, welcome to our party.
Whoa, cool costume. A mummy, huh?
Yep, we're in Hollywood. I'm my own rap party.
Hey, Goofy, you're just in time. We were all telling a spooky story.
Really? I'm out of here.
Hey, wait, no.
Whoa! Keep moving. Whoa!
Come on, Goof. We're all playing along.
It's not too spooky.
Are you sure?
Sure, I'm sure, pal. And there's gonna be treats.
I want candy, lots of candy. Give me that stuff that's fun to eat.
Great
Hey,
costume.
Donald. I want candy, lots of candy. Donald, we have to finish our spooky story first. What? Mickey, stop him! Story! And then, treats! I want candy, candy, candy! It's a sugar rush! Okay, let's get Donald to Goofy up on our spooky story.
Here we go. It was a dark and stormy night.
Castle!
Thunder!
Lightning!
Loud scream.
Oh, that's me. This is fun. Man, we all got trapped.
Because this wasn't just any castle.
It was the castle of
Scientist!
Oh, I've got a bad feeling about this.
I'm boiling a potion.
Is it a love potion?
Boiling a potion's a funny notion.
Don't start with the power of mad science. You're all driving me nuts.
Real bad.
Uh-oh!
Look! Spiders! Run the other way!
Ghost, run this way.
The ghosts don't know! The ghosts don't know! The ghosts don't know! The ghosts don't know!
Donald, look out. Wait a minute. Ghosts don't have ears. Hey, everybody, who is this? Come on, shout it out.
Just me.
But if that's Minnie, then who is this, everybody? Come on, shout it out.
Hey, Nick, you sure tricked us.
Well, you know, Goofy, this is a trick and treat party.
We got you. Come on, everybody, dance along. I want candy, lots of candy. Give me that stuff that's fun to eat. Give me that off the tree. I've been waiting all year long. I can't wait anymore. And every time we start this song, it makes me want the candy more. We like to dance.
Spooky tales!
We ran to ghostly trucks.
I'm gonna have to give me some candy soon. Give me my sugar fix. I want candy, lots of candy. Give me that stuff that's fun to eat. Give me that off the tree. I want candy, loads of candy. Don't want none of your bubble gum. Just give me that gum.
A peppermint patty sounds good to me.
Or a lollipop, pretty please.
I want me a peanut butter cup. I bet
the chocolate bars.
I'd even take a licorice. All I know is that I need some to fill up my candy dish. Don't worry, Donald, the treats are on their way. We're gonna sing this song one more time. I want candy, lots of candy.
That's my favorite.
Give me that stuff that's funky. Give me that ice cream. I want candy.
Fun, huh?